Parkour by me, Haley Ferguson. So my goal was to learn how to code a 3D parkour game using Unity. For my design, I used Maxima animations and terrain textures. Program. My program includes if statements and functions that tell my player to move and which way to move. Test. I tested my project many times, and a problem I ran into was that the kill zone wasn't working because there's a bug in the game. What do you think? If I were to redo this project, I would make the game more complicated and figure out how to create a kill zone and play. So my character is supposed to jump in these boxes, and basically if you land on the purple, there's supposed to be the kill zone. And here in my code, it's basically like saying hi, and it's supposed to be working, so these two are working, but it just skips basically the part where it's supposed to go back to the reset point, so that's the bug. But other than that, this is how the game works.
Can you tell us what the objective of the game?
The objective of the game is to get to the end without falling into the purple zone. Any questions?
Is there a present to get to the end?
No. Just an end screen.
Anyone else? All right, let's give a round of applause.